Okay, so here we have an indoor grill. So grilling inside is possible. So this is the George Foreman Indoor / Outdoor Electric Grill. Let's go through all the parts that comes with. So it's easy to install this thing. It took me, I think, like 10 to 15 minutes to install it. There's no tools needed at all, so that's for plus. So let's talk about all the parts that's included in the box, and then from there we can talk about how everything works once you get everything plugged up. So the stand, the optional stand, it comes with the base, comes with a short pole and a long pole. The long pole goes inside the base and the short pole goes inside the long one, and then you just twist it until it's tight. At first it seems like you need some type of screws or something like that, but nah, you just twist it until it's tight. And then the bottom of the grill goes on top there, and then you get this, they call it a drill pan, but it looks like a bed pan. After you snap the drill pan in place, you can slide the grill plate in and you're good to go. Now when it comes to the power option, it goes from 1 to 5. 1 to 2 is like low, and 3 is medium, 4 to 5 is high. And the grill itself has this slope right in the middle, so every time you cook, all the oil from the meat and all the excess food will drip down in the slopes and then go to 1 or 2 of these holes towards the bottom of the grill. And the stand is completely optional, so you can always just snap the grill off the stand and place it on a flat surface because the bottom of it is flat itself. And if you have a problem with storing it inside your home, you can store it outside. What I do myself is take a 30-gallon heavy-duty trash bag, just put it on top, and that'll protect it from rain, dust, and all that good stuff. But it all comes down to electric or charcoal. Which grill will be the best for you? The charcoal, it gives you that experience. So say if you had a family cookout outside, of course you want the whole experience with the open flame and stuff like that. But the electric grill is fast. You don't have to get charcoal. You don't even have to put oil on it. You just plug it up and go. I've been using this non-stop since I got it, so I can tell you the food tastes the same. So it all comes down to the experience. But that's all I have for you guys. Leave me your thoughts. What would you choose, electric, charcoal, or gas? If you have the money for gas. But that's all I have for you guys, man. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.